To hide apps on Realme 14 Pro, you will have to go into Settings, then start scrolling and open Security and Privacy, and now scroll down for Hide Apps option. Then click to Get Started. Click on the settings to set a privacy password. Right here you can enter 6 digits, but also you are able to use a different password type. So I'm gonna switch for pattern and now input the same password twice. Then you have to select a security question. You can additionally set recover email. Click confirm if you finished and now tap to get started. So right now there's also information how you can access into this hidden apps, and then you can also change this, so you can access via home screen icon or by using the all path method. So that's actually your choice. In my case, I would like to actually go into the all path. So click into settings, and here you get example how it looks. So you have to start with hash. Now your code, and end with this one. Click done. Now click done again. Click add apps. And right now scroll down, and let's say that I want to hide, for example, Google Chrome. So now take a look. It's not gonna be visible here, even if I'm gonna use search. It's not here. And if I want to get access into this one, I will have to go here and input my code. There we go. And as you can see, just right here, from the place I can add apps, and by tapping here, I can simply change access method or, for example, unlock method. So as you can see, that's how it works.